Hello viewers, my name is Yaya. So the Bomb Entrepreneur, we try to educate and then promote entrepreneurship visibility. And your holiday in, we have one nice fine lady almost start a business. You want to learn more from her, how the journey has been so far. My name, Madam,
Yeah,
what's
hi.
your name?
My name is Fauzia Abdurrahman.
Hi, Fozia, we said Fozia, who are you?
Okay, so Fauzia is the CEO of Code Paddies, and Code Paddies is a platform that we are trying to create for kids to teach them how to code.
Okay.
Yeah, with a focus on climate and sustainability. So if I say that, what I mean is with the projects we have, it's they have games that's to help kids code in a fun way,
Oh
but
wow.
the games are built based on climate and sustainability focus.
Okay.
Yeah, with both the coding embedded in it.
Okay.
Then accompanied with climate sustainability courses they can learn and how they can implement it in their homes to create solutions that are affecting us, and then also how they can learn to code and be creative as well.
How have the journey been so far?
Oh, okay. The journey hasn't been that easy because we've been into here and there from one accelerator program to the other. But from currently, they're helping us with grants where we started building our prototype and
Okay.
hoping to have it completed in the next 6 months.
Okay. Can you tell us how you get your inspiration from? Since you're the CEO, right?
Yes, I
So
am.
you started the whole thing.
Mhm.
How do you get the inspiration?
Okay,
How the
so
whole thing started?
yeah,
Share the
so I
story for us.
personally learned software engineering for a year,
Okay.
but since it was a whole year thing, you need to learn everything. Weekly, you get new topics to learn. So
Okay.
sometimes, though, the human mind gets exhausted because that's, we have other things
Sure.
to handle. So one day I thought to myself, what about if we were taught this thing from scratch, maybe from kids, the early stage as we learn
Sure.
ABCD? I said, why don't we teach our kids the same thing? As long as we teach them alphabet, let's teach them coding from the early
From the
stage
stage.
because kids are very creative, they are very innovative. So once we put this kind of entrepreneurial spirit in them, and the more and they keep growing, they can bring out innovations that we haven't thought of.
Sure. Sure.
And the second thing I also thought of was this climate and sustainability thing is an issue affecting everyone in the world. Whether we
Of
like it or
course.
not, it needs to be solved. But currently, the focus are on the youth, where programs are being made for the youth to develop solutions. But what about the kids? They're also going to go to reach the youthful stage. Do we then meet them there, or we have to teach them from the scratch so that they don't end up causing damage that have to be fixed later? So once they start fixing the solution from that early age, it can help us close a gap towards the solution for climate and sustainability.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
Do you have any challenge since you started?
Oh, challenges. As I could say, I had a few. Yeah, I had a
Okay.
few. That was because I was trying to look for the right team to help build my app for me,
Okay.
looking at the idea I had in mind. But gradually, I was able to get the team who understood what I wanted. Yeah.
Okay. So, how many years have you been in existence?
Okay, so Code Parties is just it's a startup. So from last year, one year.
Do you have any success you want to share, or just a startup? So not any success.
Oh, currently it's just a startup, as I said. Yeah. So it's just a startup. So soon there are lots of things we can share out there.
How do you see this company in the next 5 years?
Oh, in the next 5 years, I see Code Police going globally because even as at now that our app isn't ready yet, we still have international markets who are waiting for the app to be ready. And apart from it's
Like
going,
me.
yeah, like you. So apart from it's going globally and it's been an app, okay, we're also thinking of creating, in future, we'll be creating centers in
Okay.
each country so that it's a place where kids can walk in, more like a lab.
All
They
right.
can do some coding, they can create some innovative solutions towards climate sustainability, anything they could practice, something that could be easily created at home that they could innovate. So in the future, we are seeing ourselves as not just making the kids create this thing, but sponsoring them,
Okay.
sponsoring their projects. And if it's a solution that is good to mankind, of course, why not? We invest in them, then the solution goes out there.
Awusafo, ɛno ano aka no, feature no ɛyɛ cute no, nkra no, nti because me ba baako wɔ fie, always trying to play with the computer. You can also a tech guy,
Yeah.
you see. But I wish I have something specific for her to, play. Sometimes games and other stuff.
Yeah.
But if it's coding something like that, I'll be the first person to actually.
No problem.
Yes. Is there any or what one word or what thing would you like to tell others? Talk to cameras.
What I would like to say is we shouldn't underestimate our children.
Okay.
Children are very smart. They pick up things at early age, things we don't even know they are picking up. They are really picking up.
Okay.
So once you give them that chance to be innovative and creative, you'll be surprised at the kind of innovation they could bring out.
Wow.
Yes. So you need to give them attention a lot.
I'm just loving the conversation. I think it's very long, but time will not permit us. Just give us your social media handle.
Okay, so we're on Instagram. You get us on when you go to Instagram page, type code Paddies. We are there, and our website is www.codepaddies.com.
You know, I'm ready for you guys. No, no, no.
That's great.
Okay, thank you very much. I wish
Thank you
for
too.
Code Paddies, right?
Yeah, Code Paddies.
The CEO and I mean no Eddie inform. I think will be our chest how he got it. She got the inspiration from and then how sad dream we able to abwa sustaining our kit now more the urban. Try to follow them on all social media platform and also follow our entrepreneur. We are going to give you excited, very motivated, very educational news from entrepreneurs. Want to learn more from entrepreneurs? Can you follow Baba? Thank you. Bye.